Yes, student. Now we will discuss about the starting MS Access. कि how we can start the MS Access. So first of all, we will click on the start button. Then we will go in all program. Then after that we will go in Microsoft Office, and then after that we will click on the Microsoft Access. So when you will click the Microsoft Access, so then there will be the two types of the database will be created. One is a creating a blank database, and second is creating database using the template. Means two types of the windows here display. Yes, these two type of the window, one is the creating a blank database and second is the creating a database using the template. So first of all, we will discuss about the creating a blank database. So how you will click when you will click the create the blank database. So like this of the picture you will see. Here is the blank. You will click of this button. Okay. So then what you will see, open the Microsoft Access 2010, then you will find the blank stage view, then click on the blank database, then after that you will click on the specify the file name, when you will give the file name, and then after that click on create button. Okay, then after that you will go in the access automatically create the first field for the id. Like this it will be create automatically. You see, this is the id, and then the data type of this field is set to the auto number, which means that access will automatically enter the required. Next is creating a database using templates. It is one of the easiest way to create the database. Template are ready to use the database object that are contain a various type of the table, queries, forms, etc. So how you will create? So first of all you will click on the MS Access 2010, then you will go in the back stage. You can see this is the picture of this, selecting the template. Then after that by default a new tab is selected. By default is new tab will be the selected, and then select the template from the displayed list. There will be the list you will select. We have selected the student template, suppose. Okay, now one of the right side the backstage view access display the file name. Here is the file name. You can write here file name. Okay, you can also save the database a different folder by clicking on the browsers. button. Okay, you can see the browser button, and click on the create. After that you can click on the create button to access create the data base and display the table in the forms view, in which we can begin to enter the data contain the field which is relevant to the students. Okay, now you will see the view of the tables. So two type of the table you will see. One is the design view and second is the data sheet view. Design view, a design view is divided into two parts. One is the field grid pane and second the field properties pane. So in the field grid pane, in this pane we can define the field names and their datas type and the descriptions. And the field properties pane, the section is used to set the properties for the field definition in the tables. And the data sheet view is used to enter the data in a table. This view display the table as the grid. The fields are displayed as a column and the records are displayed as a row. Okay,